Did you spend tens of thousands on an expensive Mini just to find out that the quality is pretty shit, and you've got a little vanity mirror thing that doesn't actually stay open? The light still turns on and off. It's just it doesn't stay at all. Unlike that one. I look around to see if anyone else had changed them and couldn't find it, so it's quite simple. I went on to AliExpress or one of those ones and got myself a replacement. Oh look, there's me. And look at the back, obviously you don't get the lights, you have to use the lights from the original one. But if you look, it's clearly held in along a bar. So all you need is some little prying tool there behind the what's name, and just pry it off. Give me a second. Can't do this with one hand. Okay, fully pried. There you go, it's the original one. Not quite sure what's wrong with it. The lights are actually there if you want to change the bulbs. I've seen bulbs like that before. And there goes the bars that they just push onto. There's 4 positions. So we've got 4 along bottom, 4 along top, and 1 on each side. And the new one should just push back in place. Again, probably not with one hand. Sweet. One thing to double check is if it's not pushed in, if it's not clipped in correctly along the top, there's a little thing here that actually turns the light on and off. And if it's not clipped in correctly, the light will stay on. So you have to make sure that it is off. So if you listen carefully, you can hear the light switch. Lovely.